I'm Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto dubbing on your YouTube channel as of March 7th, 2025. So I got an email from YouTube stating auto dubbing will soon be enabled on your channel. Hi Morgan J, we will soon enable automatic dubbing for new video uploads on your channel. This means that YouTube will automatically generate translated audio tracks in different languages, making your content accessible to more viewers. Videos in Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Italian, Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese will be dubbed into English, and videos in English will be dubbed into those languages. No action is needed. We'll enable this on your channel in the coming weeks. So basically by default. Once enabled, when you upload a new video, we will automatically add the dubbed audio to your video. In some cases, we may be unable to generate the dubbed audio. You will be able to see the status of dubbed audio in YouTube Studio. We are not currently offering an option to automatically dub existing videos. Effective today, you can turn off automatic dubbing for your entire channel in your channel settings, upload defaults, advanced settings, automatic dubbing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So to start off with, I am in YouTube Studio on my channel dashboard, and then I click the little settings thing down in the corner here, and that'll pull up settings. Then I want to go to, I believe it is upload defaults. So there are tabs of basic info and advanced settings, and we want to click advanced settings, and then we want to scroll down. Right now it is towards the bottom. It says automatic dubbing, automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and adds them to your video. Learn more. I apologize if this is blocked a little bit. I don't have a lot of room on my screen, and I was trying to fit my face in here too. There are options for allow automatic dubbing, and also manually review dubs before publishing, review dubs in all languages, or review dubs in experimental languages only. These languages are more likely to contain translation errors. And what I kind of wonder about that is, for the people who are translating into other languages already, wouldn't they have their own translation team? So for those of us who don't necessarily speak other languages fluently, at least, what is the point of reviewing the dubs? Because I'm not going to be able to do that better than a computer. So basically, I'm going to uncheck that and uncheck allow automatic dubbing and save. Once automatic dubbing is enabled for your channel, while uploading new videos, you will also have the option to turn off automatic dubbing for that video. Visit the link below to learn more about how to manage audio dubbing, including how to review dubs before publishing. Thanks, the YouTube team. And if you click on that link, it takes you to a page in the Help Center about using automatic dubbing. And I want to go ahead and explain why I turned that setting off. First of all, I do have some concerns about the ethicalness of anything to do with AI, and I do believe in, voice acting by actual humans. In case you don't know, the bulk of my channel are reading videos. To be perfectly frank, let me go to my content and then show you playlists. Most of my videos are reading videos. I've done reading videos of like a lot of the Ruby M. Ayres works, as well as Paul Bunyan by James Stevens, out of Door Book. I've started on Wuthering Heights and The Romance of a Rogue, which I still need to finish editing. Editing is my bottleneck. But the thing is, people choose to listen to my videos because they want to hear an actual human. They want to hear a person voice this text. And so I don't think people would want to listen to a dubbed version of my content by a computer, because if they wanted to hear the story dubbed by a computer, they could just do like text to speech of the text itself, probably off of like some web archive or something, because I'm mostly doing readings of public domain works. So I think that it really goes against the artistic goals of my channel to have like computer dubbing of any sort. I do authentic reading videos by an actual human with lungs and a diaphragm, and people want to hear a human read to them. I think that increasingly there are a lot of folks who don't want to hear AI generated slop. They want to hear actual human voices, quirks and eccentricities, and sometimes like little slip ups and mispronunciations and spelling errors and all. People want to know that an actual human created the work that they're listening to. And so, since I primarily do reading videos, I really am like against automatic dubbing. I think it would actually drive people away from my channel to hear, I'd say, like computer voicing on somewhere where they'd expect to hear a human read them. So yeah, I hope that this video helped you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!